Hey there, investors! Want to make your money work harder? Tired of the daily grind? Let's talk dividends, the secret sauce to building wealth while you sleep. Imagine a stream of passive income flowing right into your account. That's the power of dividend stocks. We'll break it down step by step. You'll learn how to pick winning stocks, manage your portfolio, and avoid common pitfalls. It's time to unlock a world of financial freedom and watch your money grow. Get ready to become a dividend investing pro. We're about to embark on an exciting journey together. So, buckle up, grab your notepad, and let's get started. Think of owning a piece of a company. That's what a stock is. Welcome everyone to our channel. I am Alpella Academy Virtual Assistant Mr. Rex. Thank you for always coming back to our community. Now imagine that company sharing its profits with you. That's a dividend. Companies that regularly pay out dividends are like the all-stars of the stock market. They're established, profitable, and generous with their shareholders. It's like getting a bonus just for being an owner. These payments can come quarterly or sometimes even monthly. Every little bit adds up over time. Instead of just hoping your stock goes up in value, dividends give you cold, hard cash. It's like getting paid to own a piece of the action. And guess what? You can reinvest those dividends to buy even more shares. That's the magic of compounding, but we'll get to that later. Now that you understand the basics, let's explore why dividend stocks should be your new best friend. Dividends are more than just a paycheck from your stocks. They represent a share of the profits that companies distribute to their shareholders. They offer a unique set of benefits that can supercharge your investment portfolio, making it more robust and rewarding. First off, they provide a steady stream of income, which can be particularly useful during times of economic uncertainty. Forget the volatility of the market. Dividends offer a sense of security and predictability. With dividend stocks, you get paid regardless of whether the market is up or down, ensuring a reliable income stream. This makes them a great option for investors looking for stability and consistent returns, especially those nearing retirement. Secondly, dividends have the power of compounding, which can significantly boost your wealth over time. When you reinvest your dividends, you buy more shares, which then generate more dividends, creating a cycle of continuous growth. It's a beautiful cycle of growth that can snowball your wealth over time, turning small investments into substantial gains. Finally, dividend stocks can act as a hedge against inflation, helping to preserve your purchasing power. As prices rise, so do company profits, and often, so do their dividends, providing a buffer against the eroding effects of inflation. This helps protect your purchasing power and ensures your investments keep pace with the rising cost of living, maintaining your financial health. In a nutshell, dividend stocks offer a powerful combination of income, growth, and inflation protection, making them a versatile addition to any portfolio. They're like the Swiss Army knife of the investment world, equipped to handle various financial needs and challenges. Now let's meet some of those dividend-paying superstars. These companies have a long history of sharing their profits with investors, making them reliable sources of passive income. One such stalwart is Coca-Cola. This beverage giant has been quenching thirst and paying dividends for over a century. Their iconic brand and global reach make them a cash flow machine. Another dividend aristocrat is Johnson & Johnson. This healthcare conglomerate has a diversified portfolio of products and a strong track record of dividend growth. They've been increasing their dividend for over 60 consecutive years. And let's not forget about Procter & Gamble. From Tide detergent to Gillette razors, their household brands generate consistent profits, translating into steady dividends for their shareholders. These are just a few examples of the many dividend-paying companies out there. Remember, past performance is not indicative of future results, but a long history of dividend payments can be a good sign of a company's financial strength and commitment to its shareholders. Section 5. Winning with Dividends. Tips from a Pro. So, you're ready to dive into the world of dividend investing? Great! It's an exciting journey that can lead to steady income and financial growth. Here are some tips to help you succeed and make the most out of your investments. First, start with the dividend aristocrats. These are companies that have a proven track record. These are companies that have increased their dividends for at least 25 consecutive years, showing their reliability and stability. They're the cream of the crop when it comes to dividend investing. You can trust them to deliver consistent returns. Next, look for companies with a healthy payout ratio. This is a key indicator of financial health. This ratio indicates how much of a company's earnings are paid out as dividends. A lower ratio can mean more room for growth. A sustainable payout ratio is crucial for ensuring consistent dividend payments. Diversify your portfolio to spread risk. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification is key to managing risk. Instead, invest in a mix of dividend-paying companies across different sectors to reduce risk and maximize returns. Reinvest those dividends to grow your wealth faster. Remember the power of compounding? It's one of the most powerful tools in investing. Reinvesting your dividends allows you to buy more shares and accelerate your wealth-building journey. Patience is key in this process. Don't expect to get rich overnight. It takes time and perseverance. Dividend investing is a long-term game that requires patience and discipline. Stick with it, and you'll see the rewards over time. Section 6. The Dividend Danger Zone. Watch out. While dividend stocks offer a world of opportunities, it's crucial to be aware of the potential risks. These stocks can provide a steady income stream, but they are not without their pitfalls. High yields can be tempting, but they can also be a red flag. It's easy to be lured by the promise of high returns, but caution is necessary. Sometimes a high dividend yield could mean the company is struggling and its stock price has fallen, artificially inflating the yield. This can be a sign of underlying issues within the company. Do your research and make sure the company has a solid track record before jumping in. Dividend cuts can happen. Look into the company's financial health and past performance. Companies can reduce or even eliminate dividends, especially during economic downturns. This can significantly impact your expected returns. It's important to monitor your investments and stay informed about any changes in company performance or dividend policies. Regularly check financial news and updates. Market volatility can impact dividend stocks too. Fluctuations in the market can affect even the most reliable dividend-paying stocks. Even the most stable companies can see their stock prices fluctuate. It's a natural part of investing in the stock market. Don't panic sell if the market takes a dip. Staying calm and holding on to your investments can often be the best strategy. Remember, you're in it for the long haul. Long-term planning and patience are key to successful dividend investing. By understanding the potential risks and approaching dividend investing with a cautious and informed mindset, you can minimize your downside and maximize your chances of success. Stay educated and proactive in managing your portfolio. Section 7. Dive into dividends, your step-by-step guide. Ready to get started? Here's a step-by-step guide to kickstart your dividend investing journey. First, open a brokerage account. This is your gateway to the stock market. Choose a reputable brokerage that suits your needs and budget. Next, fund your account. Transfer money from your bank account to your brokerage account. Now you're ready to buy. Research and select dividend-paying stocks. Use the tips we discussed earlier to identify companies with a solid track record of dividend payments and growth potential. Diversify your holdings by investing in companies across different sectors. Place your order and watch those dividends roll in. Remember, start small and gradually increase your investment as you gain experience and confidence. Reinvest your dividends to supercharge your returns and accelerate your wealth-building journey. Section 8. Keep learning, keep earning. Congratulations! You've just taken your first steps into the exciting world of dividend investing. But remember, the learning never stops. Stay informed about market trends, company news, and dividend policies. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make sound investment decisions. Keep an eye on your portfolio and make adjustments as needed. Don't be afraid to seek advice from financial professionals if you have any questions or need guidance along the way. Dividend investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient, stay disciplined, and let the power of compounding work its magic. Now, go out there and start building your passive income stream. Remember, investing always involves risk, and past performance is not indicative of future results. This is not financial advice. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.